this.
All right. Good morning, Braxton Craven students. What an opportunity we have on the horizon. We have Spirit Week approaching. And prior to Spirit Week, we're going to give each team the opportunity to nominate a t-shirt design on what Be More Dog looks like. So in the next 2 weeks, you have until September 29th to design your very own Be More Dog t-shirt. Again, you're not making your own t-shirt. You're going to create a design on white paper. You're going to submit your design to your homeroom teacher, and each team will select one design to represent your team in the cafeteria during Spirit Week. And what's going to happen during Spirit Week, October 2nd through the 6th, students are going to have the opportunity to put money in buckets on which to represent their favorite design, and that design will go and we will make school-wide Braxton Craven t-shirts on what Be More Dog is all about. So I wish you good luck on that opportunity. Again, start designing. I look forward to your creativity, and we look forward to seeing what your interpretation of Be More Dog is all about.
What is
What is going on right now? What is going on right now? Oh my gosh.
Now watch me think. Now watch me be more dog. Now watch me think. Watch me be more dog. Oh! Watch me be more dog. Watch me be more dog.